come from, the deep-eyed people, the long-life people, the cross-legged people, the sunburnt people, chiseled chest people, the moon crest people, the deeg mandem, the treacherous handsome, the see no evil, a known sea people, the citadel plunders, infidel hunters, the Silk Road compass, the past life among us, the praise nebby people, the die petty people, a prejudiced people, a welcoming people, a merciless people, the friendliest of people, the forehead biggest, the faithful sinners, the misfortune winners, the casual bigots, the never been niggas, the fallen to lowest, the stained tooth poets, the sky god people, we don't die people, waria people, the naysay people, the ray people, a heyday people, the late great people, the Quratri people, real free people. Forget everything you've read. I was born and bred among these people. Somalia, I cried today. I saw you falling face down and then dragged away. And when I told the world none would bat an eye, they say since you know